We're talking about the digital transformations. People, the very first thing comes to your mind is they said using big investment in terms of the servers, softwares, and you just name it, anything just comes out. The digital transformations are pretty much put your business in IT. But actually, you are not putting your business in IT. Actually, what you're supposed to do here is put the IT in the business.
Assalamualaikum. How are you? This is Harun from Malaysia. He has attended this workshop as an instructor. He tell about the digital transformations. So we want to know about it. How was your experience in Pakistan just prior to training at the workshop?
Very fantastic. So the receptions over here, and then the people welcoming the ideas very good. So meaning to say that the people over in Pakistan, especially the SME community there, they are very enthusiastic and they are really welcoming the ideas, and they are need some kind of support, be it from the government sector, or be it from the stakeholders, or be it from the investors. So by having this kind of a support, we can move to the next and can elevate the process of digital transformations in the Pakistan.
Wow, great. What should do people for this digital area? What should learn people?
Okay, when the time you're talking about what they supposed to do, it's pretty much about the technology. First thing is the mindset. So we need to say that they must see technology as a complementary item for them. And second, they have to learn about what are the emerging technologies. For example, like AI, data analytics, cybersecurity, or be it in automation. And also we do have about the what they call the other you say that what they call the leaderships kind of what they call the technology-based kind of trainings things that we focus at in order to have a very clear understanding about the tools exposure, so that they can make a what they call it, a full potential
Artificial intelligence is going very fast, it's spreading all over the world like a road and each and everything. What do you think, what will happen in the future?
Okay, well, the future, of course, we are going to be having a technology-driven society. So we need to say that, like in Japan, okay, they are trying to leveraging the technology to the society. So rather than we just going to create a hype kind of myth, saying that the technology is going to rule the world. No, actually the technology is not going to rule the world. The right word is not ruling. It is about just going to be how we're going to assist the technology in terms of the social impact. So we need to say how we can use the technology in order for the social development, and how we be using the technology in terms of what they call the build a right society with the right mindset, whereby they're going to have what they call because technology is a tool. End of the day, it is about our social values is the base. So the tool, how we're going to use the technology as a tool to improvise the what they call the humanity, the social values in terms of the businesses as well. So right, we call it as the social development goals, whereby the social development goals is more pretty much focusing on the social what they call social development. So we will say it's a collective.
Okay. What is the threat of cybersecurity? What is how is protecting your country, Malaysia, cybersecurity? What is development of your country?
Okay, when we're talking about the cybersecurity in Malaysia, pretty much we do have our continuous what they call the ministry, whereby we call it as a ministry of communication in Malaysia. They are fully emphasized in terms of what they call the cybersecurity awareness. It is not just only about the tools or the software. It is about the mindset, the users, how they are being preserved and understanding the sharing the information in the social media. So it's been emphasized. So meaning to say that the security practices must be coming from the people. So you must see that, and of course, how the technology is going to be leveraging, helping the society in terms of the what do you call that, cybersecurity, how it's going to become safe and
What do you think about Pakistan and Malaysia? What should do about in future technology projects?
future is collaborations. So mainly to say that we're supposed to have what they call a technology ecosystem or business ecosystems. Right now we do have, and then our what they call we like the word which is we call it as a talent meet opportunity. So be the talent can be coming from Malaysia or coming from East part. Let we collaborate and raise as a big business ecosystem. Build a business ecosystem with the most of the talents, what they call exchange of the talents, exchange of the cultures, exchange of how they're approaching the business, and how we can collaborate our effort in order to bring it to the entire world. Saying that how we can deliver for can create more values to the society.
Thank you, Mr. Harun, for giving such a beautiful time, very informative your talks. Harun, they are giving very information about technologies and digital transformations. Thank you for watching us.